Hello and welcome to the All Summit membership. I'm Kelly from Fearless Homeschool and I've run lots and lots of summits and workshops over the years with nearly 100 other homeschooling parents, and now I've put them together into a huge membership where you can watch all of them whenever you like. So at the time of recording this it is 214 workshops and we're going to keep adding more. So this is a brilliant resource. There is something in here for pretty much any question you have or any time you need inspiration, or for when you're feeling a bit wonky and you need some reassurance that yes, this homeschooling thing really does work. So let's take a look at what's included. So when you join up, the first thing you see will be your navigation document, because you really do need a guide to help you pick what you need out of the hundreds of workshops. So there is a bit of an introduction and then we go straight into the categories. So registration is first and foremost, so you can get that out of the way and get onto the fun stuff, and there are 18 workshops in that bundle. Then we talk about starting to homeschool, about deschooling, about planning and organising that isn't specifically about registration, and there's lots of workshops about this because it's something that we all kind of need. Then we move on to homeschooling styles, subject areas, and so on. So instead of scrolling through the whole thing, you can open it on Google Docs. And when you're on Docs, you can use a doc outline. So if I think, right, I really need to know about socialisation and building a community, then I can just jump to that section. And look, I've got a great big list of workshops to choose from. So each title is actually a link, so you can click on any of them. And assuming you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the workshop page where you can play the workshop right away. And look, there's me again. So it really is as simple as that. And as I mentioned in the intro to the doc, each workshop will help with more than just the specific topic, as we know that everything overlaps. So you might watch a workshop about homeschooling styles and pick up a great tip for juggling multiple ages. Also get some really great photos and descriptions of everyday stuff the presenter does, which gives you ideas that suit your family and makes you more confident and feel like you can actually do this, because you can. So it's basically just as simple as that. So you get access to all of this straight away when you join, and you'll also get access to everything else that we do. So that could mean standalone workshops, watch parties for workshops we've already done, mini summits, whatever we all come up with, it is all yours for as long as you are a member. So if you really want to dig in, you can join for an entire year. You can go through it all in depth and have it all on hand for whenever you have one of those 3 a.m. oh, but are we really doing enough for science moments? You can get on and see, oh, okay, I've got some great ideas and I've also had a bit of reassurance. So I hope you think that is an absolutely wonderful idea and you join us in the membership. I will see you in there.